Good day, learners. Let's quickly look at this diagram. Here we are given the battery with EMF and internal resistance, as you can see here. So this is the battery. Lento ibiyele battery represent a battery. Then inside we have internal resistance. This is the EMF of the battery. Now let's look at the second diagram and do what we can do. Uba singajonga apha we have le ntambo le isuka ebhetrini ize lapha, which means le ntambo isuka apha ebhetrini ize lapha. This is series. So if ngu-series lower, therefore kuhamba a total current. Nansi yala ntambo isehla, nansi isehla. That is total current, which means we still have a total current here. Ifike lapha isplite. So there is a division of current. Any current yehla, any current is meaning that everything that is here is parallel to this line. So this line is parallel to this line. Okay. If ungajonga ke ngoku nansi current move current ifike divide again, meaning that lo 10 is parallel to lo 10 but in series lo 10. Where light bulb. So xa sibala i-total resistance ibala kanjani apha? The first thing is to focus here, because this one is parallel to this one. Then from this one siza apha ke ngoku sizofocusa here. After sigqibile apha ngentla, sigqibile here konke leya, size apha ngezantsi. Okay, let's do it quickly. So 1 over R parallel is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. This is R1, this is R2. 1 over R parallel is equal to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. Then we press the calculator there. We get that is 2 over 10, which is equal to 1 over 5. We get 1 over 5. Then we cross multiply. 1 times RP is RP. 1 times 5 is 5 ohms. So ezi zoyi-2 zidibene zisinika u-5 ohms. So lo 5 ohms masimdibanise nale light bulb. Sitsho sibe nabani ke ngoku? U5 plus 10, which is equal to 15 ohms. So ithethe ukuthi apha ngentla the total resistance here is 15 ohms. Lo 15 ohms is parallel kulo 15 ohms, which means no parallel power. 1 over R parallel is equal to 1 over 15 ln 15 plus parallel to 1 over 15 ln 15, which means we have 1 over R parallel, which is equal to 2 over 15. So 2 cross multiply. 2 times RP is 2RP. 1 times 15 is 15. Then we divide by 2 both sides. Therefore, the total external resistance is 7,5 ohms. So, sine total resistance external, which is 7,5. Masihambise ku-questions. The first question here says, define or state Ohm's law. The potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the current into the conductor at constant temperature. Then the first question under calculations, calculate the total external resistance of the circuit. Sesibalile, the total external resistance is 7,5 ohms. Ucholo 5 marks. Calculate the reading on ammeter. Let's go back to the diagram. the reading on ammeter is the total resistance, but we have EMF and internal resistance, which means we are going to use the formula in a internal resistance in the EMF. The EMF is 12, current is what we are looking for. The total resistance is 7,5. Internal resistance is 0,5. Then we solve for I. We have 12 here, which is I times, this is 8. Then we divide by 8 both sides. Therefore, the total current is equal to 1,5 amperes. So the current here is 1,5 amperes. Then we are done with that one. Let's quickly go to another question. Calculate the power dissipated by R3. This is R3, the power dissipated by R3. So the tiny formula is the power. Power is equal to IV. Do we have a voltage and a current? No. So ayizusebenza leya. Power is equal to V squared over R. So we can use this one because we do have the resistance, which is 15 there. So sebenzisa la resistance ngu-15. Maqale calculate i-voltage. The current that we have is 1,5. The total resistance, because this is a total current, the total resistance is 7,5. Then V is equal to IR. Sitho sifumana uV. I is 1,5. R is 7,5. Then we press the calculator there. Quickly, the calculator. Then we get 11,25 volts. So ithi singakwazi uyisebenzisa ngole formula because nayo voltage. So power is equal to 11,25 square divided by resistance ebesithetha ngayo ibingu-15. Then we press the calculator, we get 8,44 watts. Omnye ke uzoba le current, but still is right. Okay. Now they say the switch is now open. The switch is open. When the switch is open, it is ukuthi asinaye lo 15 ohms, which means remove parallel. When parallel removed, the total external resistance increases. Total external resistance increases when you remove parallel resistor. Total external resistance increases. Okay? If the total external resistance increases, which means the total external voltage increases also. When the total external voltage increases, therefore the total internal decreases. The current decreases. So if you memorize, ezi zoyi-2 zihamba zoyi-2 internal of the battery ne current. When internal voltage increases, the current increase. When internal voltage decreases, the current decrease. Okay, ezi external zoyi-2, ezi zihamba zoyi-2. Okay, now let's go to equations. We have 8.3.1. If the resistance of a light bulb remain the same or constant, how will the brightness of the light bulb? Remember, the brightness goes with power, which means this question is based on power. Okay, so let's look at the formulas of power. Formula of power is IV, meaning that when V increases, power increases. The formula of power is V squared over R, meaning that when V increases, power increases, which means yonke le ndithetha external voltage. Now, the external voltage here, we said external voltage increases, which means the power increases. Brightness, therefore, the answer increases. Power, brightness, and the power goes with the potential difference, external voltage. Then let's quickly go to the last question, then we are done. Explain. This is the explanation. When you remove the parallel resistor, external resistance increases. External voltage increases. Internal voltage decreases. Then current decreases. But when they talk about the brightness, they are talking about the power. The power goes with the external. Then we are done with this one. You can write your question on the comment section.